When we started planning our dream house, we knew we wanted a spiral staircase in it to go up to the loft, both because it is compact and also because the house I grew up in had spiral staircase, and also we just love the way that it looks. So we were looking, searching online, looking for what would be a good solution, and we found Paragon, and it seemed like they, based on reviews, had a quality product, and liked what we saw, and so we put together kind of the specs for it. They sent us a quote, and it came in a lot cheaper than any of the other options we'd looked at. So went ahead and ordered it. Ordering process was really easy. Got them real quick, and the installation couldn't have been any easier. It was we just put them right together, and we love the way it looks. The house not completely finished yet, but this is fitting right in with the general theme of our house, and we really like our spiral staircase. Thanks, Paragon.